Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear WhatsApp chat. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our devices. It can be either Android or iPhone. Then, in order to clear the chat, we go to any message, any chat, then click on the person's profile, and then we scroll down to the bottom. We have block, account, report, and then we have clear chat. We click clear chat, and click clear all messages, and then we're out. As you can see, the chat is cleared, and now there is no message. Go to the second person. Also click on their profile, and scroll down and click clear chat, and click clear all messages. Now, as you can see, the chat is empty. There's no messages. That's how easy it is to clear WhatsApp chat. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.